Imagine feeling calm and centered no matter what's happening around you. Deep breathing is one of the simplest yet most powerful tools we have for achieving this state. It doesn't require any special equipment or a lot of time. You can practice deep breathing anywhere and at any time, and the benefits are profound. This practice can reduce stress, clear your mind, and improve your overall well-being. Picture yourself in a moment of chaos or stress, and then think about how taking a few deep breaths can transform that moment into one of peace and clarity. Deep breathing, often called diaphragmatic breathing, is a technique where you breathe deeply into your abdomen rather than shallowly into your chest. When you breathe deeply, your belly should rise and fall with each breath, which allows your lungs to fill more completely. This type of breathing engages your diaphragm, a large muscle located at the base of your lungs. In contrast, shallow breathing, which is common when we're stressed, involves short breaths that only fill the upper part of the lungs. When you practice deep breathing, you are essentially teaching your body to breathe efficiently. It helps to slow down your heartbeat, lower your blood pressure, and provide your body with the oxygen it needs to function optimally. By focusing on your breath and making it deeper and slower, you can shift your body from a state of stress to one of relaxation. This practice can be a powerful tool for managing anxiety, stress, and even pain. The benefits of deep breathing are not just anecdotal, they are backed by science. When you take deep breaths, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for promoting a state of calm and relaxation in the body. This system counteracts the fight or flight response, which is triggered by stress and anxiety. By stimulating the parasympathetic nervous system, deep breathing helps to reduce the levels of stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline in your bloodstream. Moreover, deep breathing increases the oxygen supply to your brain, which helps to improve mental clarity and focus. It also enhances the functioning of your lymphatic system, which is responsible for removing toxins from your body. When you breathe deeply, you improve the circulation of lymph, which can boost your immune system and promote overall health. The rhythmic nature of deep breathing also has a meditative quality, helping to calm the mind and reduce the constant chatter of thoughts. Understanding how deep breathing affects your body can motivate you to practice it regularly. It's a simple yet effective way to take control of your physical and mental health. By incorporating deep breathing into your daily routine, you can create a powerful habit that supports your well-being in countless ways. There are several techniques you can use to practice deep breathing, each with its own unique benefits. Let's explore a few of these techniques in detail. Diaphragmatic breathing. This is the most basic form of deep breathing. To practice diaphragmatic breathing, sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, allowing your abdomen to rise while keeping your chest relatively still. Exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your abdomen fall. Repeat this process for several minutes, focusing on the rise and fall of your abdomen. Box breathing. This technique is often used by athletes and people in high-stress professions. To practice box breathing, inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 4, exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 4, and then hold your breath again for a count of 4. Repeat this cycle for several minutes. Box breathing helps to regulate your breathing pattern and can be particularly effective in calming your nervous system. 4-7-8 breathing. This technique is known for its ability to help you fall asleep quickly. To practice 4-7-8 breathing, inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 7, and exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. Repeat this cycle for 4 to 8 breaths. The extended exhale helps to release tension and promote relaxation. Each of these techniques can be practiced daily to help manage stress and improve overall well-being. Choose the one that feels most comfortable to you and make it a part of your routine. Incorporating deep breathing into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. Start by setting aside just a few minutes each day to practice. You can begin your day with a deep breathing session to set a calm tone for the day ahead. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed and practice one of the techniques we discussed. As you breathe deeply, focus on the present moment and let go of any distracting thoughts. Another great time to practice deep breathing is before bed. This can help you relax and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Spend a few minutes in a comfortable position and use the 4-7-8 breathing technique to calm your mind and body. Over time, you'll find that this practice helps you fall asleep more easily and improves the quality of your sleep. You can also integrate deep breathing into your daily activities. For example, take a few deep breaths before a meeting or a stressful task to center yourself. Use deep breathing during your commute to and from work to transition smoothly between different parts of your day. The key is to make deep breathing a regular habit so it becomes a natural part of your life. Like any new habit, developing a deep breathing practice can come with its challenges. One common obstacle is distractions. It's easy to get caught up in thoughts or external noises while trying to focus on your breath. To overcome this, try to find a quiet space and practice deep breathing at a time when you're less likely to be interrupted. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath without judgment. Another challenge is impatience. You might expect immediate results and feel frustrated if you don't notice a difference right away. Remember that the benefits of deep breathing come with consistent practice over time. Be patient with yourself and trust that you are making progress, even if it's not immediately noticeable. Inconsistent practice is another common hurdle. Life can get busy, and it's easy to skip your deep breathing sessions. To build consistency, set a specific time each day for your practice and stick to it. Consider setting reminders on your phone or incorporating deep breathing into an existing routine, such as your morning or bedtime ritual. By addressing these challenges and staying committed to your practice, you can develop a deep breathing routine that enhances your well-being and supports your overall health. Deep breathing offers numerous benefits for mental health. One of the most significant advantages is its ability to reduce stress. When you take deep breaths, you signal your body to relax, which decreases the production of stress hormones like cortisol. This helps to calm your mind and reduce feelings of anxiety. Another benefit is improved focus and clarity. Deep breathing increases oxygen flow to the brain, which enhances cognitive function and concentration. By taking a few minutes to practice deep breathing before starting a task, you can improve your ability to focus and perform better. Deep breathing also helps to manage emotions. When you feel overwhelmed or upset, practicing deep breathing can help you regain control and respond more calmly. This can be particularly useful in high-pressure situations or when dealing with challenging emotions. The benefits of deep breathing extend beyond mental health to physical health as well. One of the primary benefits is improved cardiovascular function. Deep breathing helps to lower blood pressure and improve circulation, which supports heart health. Deep breathing also aids digestion. When you breathe deeply, you stimulate the vagus nerve, which plays a crucial role in regulating the digestive system. This can help to improve digestion and reduce symptoms like bloating and constipation. Additionally, deep breathing boosts the immune system. By enhancing the flow of lymph, deep breathing helps to remove toxins from the body and supports the immune system in fighting off infections. This can lead to better overall health and a reduced risk of illness. The mirror cycle is a concept that can help you understand how your thoughts and attitudes shape your reality. Typically, people observe their current circumstances, form an image or attitude based on these observations, and then see these attitudes reflected in their reality. This cycle can keep you trapped in a pattern of negative thinking and outcomes. To break this cycle, start by consciously choosing the image you want to reflect. Instead of focusing on your current reality, visualize the life you want to create. Form positive attitudes and beliefs that align with this vision. When you observe your reality, look for signs that support your new image, no matter how small they might be. Over time, as you consistently focus on your desired reality and reinforce positive beliefs, you will begin to see changes in your life. This process requires patience and persistence, but it can lead to profound transformation. Deep breathing is a simple yet powerful practice that can significantly improve your mental and physical health. By understanding the basics of deep breathing, exploring various techniques, and creating a consistent routine, you can harness the benefits of this practice to reduce stress, enhance focus, and support overall well-being. Overcoming common challenges and recognizing the broader impact of your thoughts and attitudes through the mirror cycle can further deepen the positive effects of deep breathing. Start today and experience the transformative power of deep breathing in your life. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts and experiences. Take care and see you soon. And